nothing at all. Cause you can seem to pick this love out of trying. So he knows that and he makes his money the best way he knows how. Another body lady golden. Listen to me say, don't go chasing waterfalls. We stick to the rivers and the lakes that we used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Little precious has a natural obsession for temptation, but he just can't see. She lives in love and that is what it can handle, but all he can say is baby is good to me. One day it takes a glimpse in the mirror, but he doesn't recognize his own face. His health is fading and he doesn't know why. Three letters took him to his fire. You don't hear me say, don't go chasing waterfalls. Listen to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Yeah. Oh, I see the rainbow yesterday, but too many songs. I never found you. I'm gonna not give a ring. You hit the gun, but I'm a sin. Chase a ring, I'm ready to send it. Not a sick for the sun and text. And now the rest is true. Only my back can I do. The many chances now to bring my life to a new. Clear blue and unconditional skies. So got my ears from my eyes from my lonely cry. My only being hopes for the gold who came up with such an to repaying now. In the pouring rain, who's so like what to dig into your own way. What a shame, you shouldn't aim for someone else. Play the very same thing. The next time I'm falling, wait and not listen to your own mind. It's a hopeless aspiration, so to believe in yourself, the rest is up to me. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Ooh, yeah. Don't chasing water.